Must-know Python libraries for machine learning engineers.
Start your machine learning journey with the right tools. Choosing the most important Python libraries sets the stage for efficient, powerful projects. Here we reveal the top 5 libraries that every aspiring machine learning engineer should master. These tools are essential for data preprocessing, model building, evaluation, and deployment within real-world workflows.
NumPy, the foundation of scientific computing.
NumPy is at the heart of numerical computing in Python. With its efficient array operations and mathematical functions, NumPy makes handling large datasets and numerical calculations fast and easy. Machine learning models rely on its capabilities for matrix multiplications, linear algebra, and data manipulation. Mastering NumPy is essential for understanding data at a fundamental level.
Pandas, the data manipulation powerhouse.
Pandas lets you organize and analyze data with ease. Its intuitive data frame structure simplifies tasks like cleaning, transforming, and visualizing datasets. Machine learning projects require frequent data exploration and pre-processing, and Pandas streamlines these processes so you can focus more on building accurate models.
Scikit-learn, your go-to machine learning toolkit.
Scikit-learn is the most widely used library for classic machine learning. It offers simple interfaces for algorithms like classification, regression, and clustering. Scikit-learn also provides tools for splitting data, scaling features, and evaluating model performance, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals.
Matplotlib and Seaborn, visualizing data and results.
Matplotlib and Seaborn bring data and models to life. With these libraries, you can create informative visualizations such as plots, charts, and heat maps. Effective visualization helps uncover patterns, spot anomalies, and communicate findings clearly. Learning how to present data visually is a key skill for any machine learning engineer.
TensorFlow and PyTorch, deep learning essentials.
TensorFlow and PyTorch revolutionize deep learning in Python. These libraries provide robust frameworks for designing, training, and deploying neural networks. Both have active communities, helpful documentation, and support for scalable model building, making them vital for tackling complex tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and beyond.
Building your machine learning toolkit.
Mastering these libraries paves the way for success in machine learning. Start with NumPy and Pandas to handle data. Explore modeling with Scikit-learn. Visualize with Matplotlib and Seaborn, and dive into deep learning with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Building proficiency with these tools forms a strong, adaptable foundation for your career in machine learning.